it's really hard to imagine a scenario where the dollar completely loses its dominance to one other currency.
It won't.
Okay.
But we could lose a lot of the advantage. So think of market share. Our market share rose a lot after the financial crisis, believe it or not. I mean, I would say in some ways we caused it.
Market share of global GDP.
Market share of global GDP, but market share of, for example, how much trade is in dollars, market share of how much financial instruments are in dollars. The dollar exploded. No, it didn't have to happen. Europe, yes, Europe's not going to, nobody in New York's going to be using the euro. But you said Latin America and Africa. Oh, believe me, they use the euro some already. They'll use it more. They'll hold it more. And the renminbi, we think of them, who wants China to know anything? There are a lot of African leaders and Latin American leaders, South Asian leaders who trust China more than the United States. Maybe they have human rights abuses or something, or a civil war going on. And it's not just Russia. It's a lot of the world. And so as our market share shrinks, and it could shrink a lot, our interest rate will go up. We'll have less security. We didn't talk about that, but the dollar dominance lets us see everything going on in the global financial system because it passes through the U.S. because we make the rules.
Yeah.
And the Chinese want to change that. So I thought that was coming without Trump. When I wrote the book, I thought if Harris won, I mean, obviously, who could expect exactly what happened? But I thought we'd get another burst of inflation the next 5 to 7 years. I thought China would continue breaking free. I thought Europe might expand its footprint. So I saw I thought dollar dominance peaked 10 years ago, not just today. When Trump entered the scene, it had actually fallen quite a bit by some of the measures I use. And he may have accelerated it a lot, but it was coming. I mean, these things don't happen overnight. They're not sudden, but we were headed in that direction.